HyperLynx VX.2.6 release brings a new mentor syntax called connected. In this line sim example, we have DQ and strobe topologies that result in a split, meaning that for DQ1, it's connected to 2 and 3, and for DQ0, the port 4 would be connected to 5 and 6, and so forth. So if we were to extract the S parameter model and assign the ports, and then open that model, since I've already generated it, I'll switch to what the topology would look like here. Now you can see the same topology with the S parameter model in place, where we have the DQ0, port 1, going and splitting between port 2 and 3, and so on for the other DQ and the strobe. Previous releases would have the ports assume in certain technologies, certain wizards might assume that the connectivity was 1-to-1. It wasn't intelligent enough to know if there was multiple topologies. So if we look at the old S parameter models, this was generated pre 2.6, you would have the port map assigned, but it would be correct, but it wouldn't have the new mentor syntax where we're actually showing the new connectivity. So here we want to open up the model file of the one we just created in 2.6 and show a comparison. And you can see that there's this new syntax called connect, which actually shows that port 1 goes to 2 and 3, port 4 goes to 5 and 6, and so on. Let's now open the newly generated S parameter model and see how improvements to the Touchstone viewer will use this new connected syntax in HyperLynx. If you right click, you'd have the ability to select show insertion loss connected, which will use that connected syntax and show you the insertion loss here in the Touchstone viewer automatically without you having to manually turn on and off the ports. If you clear the waveform, we actually have other improvements. We can now show coupling in the Touchstone viewer. This is a new option. You have the ability to select your own coupling parameters, and you can automatically show the coupling now in the display with a lot more ease of use. This new syntax, line sim, and Touchstone viewer improvements are all brought to you in HyperLynx VX.2.6 release.